What's up, guys, and welcome to PrtScn Click YouTube channel for quick and easy tech solutions. In today's video tech tip, we're learning how to screenshot on the brand new M1 MacBook Air. So screenshotting on this MacBook Air is pretty much the same way you screenshot on any MacBook or Mac. All you need to do is press Command plus Shift plus 3, and that will take a screenshot of the entire screen, put it there in a thumbnail, and then save it to your desktop by default. Now, if you want to take a screenshot of a specific area, press Command plus Shift plus 4 on the keyboard, and that will turn your mouse cursor into this cross hairpin, and you can use that to press and drag to select the area where you want to screenshot. When you're happy, simply just release, and it's going to take a screenshot of that area. And again, save it to your desktop. Now from the desktop, you can open it using the default Viewer app, which of course you can use to edit the image, resize it, and add text, and do whatever you want to do with the image. But that's really how to take screenshots on the brand new M1 MacBook Air. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips until the next one.